Hello, hello, hello. This is our next episode, I guess we can call it, on our frequently asked questions. And I guess that question is, what is the biggest myth about estate planning? Well, there's actually two that I've run across, okay? One is that a lot of people think a will covers every estate planning contingency and all you need is a will and you're good. And that's definitely not true. A will doesn't cover what happens when you're incapacitated or disabled. A will has to go through the probate court, be filed with the court, and as we say, it's a lawsuit against yourself, okay? So that's myth number one. Myth number two is that a lot of people believe that if they're incapacitated or disabled and they're married, then their spouse can automatically, exclusively act for them. And that's not actually true. Even though you're married, there's no presumption that your spouse has your best interest at heart, and so your spouse could actually have to go to probate court, okay? If you're needing medical decisions and financial decisions made on your behalf, your spouse has to actually go to court just like anyone else would to act on your behalf, to get permission first from the probate judge. So don't merely rely on the fact that you're married, that your spouse gets to do that automatically for you. Keep in mind, if you're in a second marriage, your spouse's children, or I should say your children from a previous relationship, might actually fight your spouse for the right to make those decisions. Your parents, if you're younger and recently married, may go to court to fight your spouse to make those decisions. So it can become a very long and drawn out issue. We saw that with the Terry Schiavo case. A lot of people just think, well, they're my spouse, they can make it, but that's not necessarily true. And we want to make sure that you have the legal documents in place that if you do want your spouse to make those decisions, they can. So I wish you the very best of luck. Thank you for going with me on this journey of some questions. Keep an eye. I will probably be adding more questions as I hear them from clients. Ralston Law is here to serve you with a heart-centric, out-of-court and out-of-conflict philosophy that I hope keeps your families intact while you're here and long after you're gone. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, reach out to me at ralstonlawestateplanning.com.